Moving on, drought that is ravaging Mandera County due to prolonged rainfall failure has rendered 400,000 people vulnerable. Governor Mohammed Khalif said the situation has caused an acute water shortage and food insecurity. This and other drought cases in the country, as Pauline Nasimiu reports.
Mandera County residents are at brink of dire situation following poor rainfall along with climatic change. The region is facing a catastrophic drought, the worst experienced in years. Mandera Governor Mohammed Khalif, on issuing the current drought situation, said that the region, despite residents being primarily pastoralist, livestock is lost due to starvation and drought-related diseases.
Mandera is still experiencing an acute water shortage, food insecurity, malnutrition, limited pastures, and reduced livestock prices.
The National Drought Management Authority say that the current drought is worsening and that it might be drifting towards a serious crisis.
The drought situation is really bad at this time. Livestock body conditions is worsening. Of course, livestock are lacking pasture. Pastures are depleted. Most of the livestock have migrated to neighboring countries of Ethiopia and Somalia.
The number of people facing crisis hunger levels in Mandera County is expected to rise from 400,000 to more than 500,000 in the coming months. Elsewhere, while the age of hunger is increasingly witnessed by many families in Kajiado County, more than 100 families from Tikoshi area in Kajiado West have benefited from food aid courtesy of non-governmental organizations. The beneficiary says that the aid, along with the one that continues to be provided by the Kajiado County Council, is not enough to meet the needs of thousands of residents who continue to fight the age of hunger.
Tuna njaa sana. So tunashukuru sana na tunaomba pia serikali watukumbuke kwa sababu njaa imezidi, njaa ya binadamu pia mifugo zetu.
Pregnant mothers and children under the age of 5 are said to be the most affected, while more than 500,000 people are reported to be struggling due to lack of food. Also, 50% of livestock are struggling due to lack of water and feeds. Calls are increasingly being made to philanthropists and government to provide assistance to victims. In Turkana County, drought has caused most of the residents to lack food, water, and pasture for livestock. Speaking when they visited the area of Kalakol, Kataboy, and Kairis in North Turkana, Lucas Hayumbi, who is the General Secretary of the Salvation Army Church, says that Turkana is getting worse due to the drought that is being witnessed in that area and causing many of the residents to weaken in health.
Now people are suffering in this area. There is a lot of drought in this place, and they cannot be able to grow any crop that can help them. And therefore they need support from well-wishers, from churches, from the government, and from any other organization that can be able to think about these friends of ours.
Pauline Nasimiu for Lunchtime News.